to our legal talks. Today we dive into a hot and fast evolving topic, the future of regulatory compliance and how artificial intelligence is disruptive in 2025. If you are a business owner, compliance officer, or legal expert, this is the video you cannot miss. What is the regulatory compliance? Regulatory compliance means ensuring business operate according to the legal and regulatory frameworks applicable to their industry, respective industry in India. Compliance spans across Companies Act 2013, SEBI LODR regulations 2015, and RBI and FEMA guidelines, FOSSI, environment protection and labor laws. Data protection, Digital Personal Data Protection Act 2023, DPDP Act 2023. Failing to comply leads to penalties, license revocations, or even criminal charges. So artificial intelligence emergence in compliance. So AI has evolved from just automation to decision making in 2025. Artificial intelligence systems are helping companies with real-time risk monitoring, that is flagging potential compliance breaches, document parsing, and legal interpretations. NLP tools can scan hundreds of circulars, court rulings, and notifications. Predictive compliance, AI forecast possible future violations based on trends and past data. Automated filing and record maintenance. So it reduces the manual errors. Chatbots for internal compliance training based on the DPDP Act and GST norms. What is the legal framework updates in 2025? Securities Exchange Board of India's SEBI's 2025 update on AI governance. SEBI circular dated January 2025 mandates all listed companies to disclose usage of artificial intelligence in compliance under LODR Regulation 34, that is annual report discloses. RBI's RegTech circular, RBI encourages NBFCs and the fintechs to adopt AI-based tools for real-time fraud detection and KYC verification and master data and updated master direction. That is know your customer KYC direction 2025. Digital Personal Data Protection Act, DPDP and Artificial Intelligence. Digital Personal Data Protection Act. Under Section 9, data fiduciaries using artificial intelligence must ensure purpose limitation and algorithm transparency. MCA update Ministry of Corporate Affairs in March 2025 launched the AI-powered compliance dashboard on MCA, Ministry of Corporate Affairs MCA 2023 version, integrating real-time compliance status for directors, filings, and DIN numbers. What are the tools available, platforms in use? Clear RegTech for automated ROC and FEMA filings. Let's Comply AI, Indian startup enabling AI-based compliance alerts. TCS Reg Insights, enterprise tool for BFSI sector. EY's AI Watchtower for ESG and global compliance. IBM Watson Governance, real-time AI policy compliance. These tools are transforming regulatory process across industries. So what are the benefits and risks of artificial intelligence in compliance? First, we'll talk about the benefits. 80% reduction in audit times, improved accuracy in reporting, 24/7 compliance tracking. These are all the advantages. Of course, there are certain risks, algorithmic bias and over-dependence on automation, lack of human accountability. The DPDP rules 2024 now mandate all AI decisions involving personal data to be explainable and reviewable. The road ahead is AI plus human oversight. So 2025 marks the transitional phase from rule-based compliance to judgment-based systems. So from rule-based compliance to judgment-based systems with AI plus human experts. So expect AI to handle is routine filings, legal change tracking, breach risk predictions. These are all we can expect AI to handle. And while human ensures strategic decisions, interpretation of gray areas, and regulatory license. So the conclusion and the takeaways, artificial intelligence is no longer optional in compliance. Companies must adopt fast to stay ahead. Legal frameworks in India are evolving to accommodate and regulate artificial intelligence usage. If you found this video insightful, give it thumbs up, subscribe for more updates, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a legal tech trend. Subscribe our two channels, RR Corporates and RR Legal Talks. Thank you.